Hey friends, who's hungry? Skip the aggravation next time you try to peel a hard-boiled egg. This technique will produce easy-peeled, boiled eggs every time. First, pierce the bottom of 6 eggs with an egg piercer. This prevents the egg from cracking when it's submerged in the hot water. Next, bring enough water to cover the eggs by 1 inch to a boil over high heat in a medium saucepan. Add 1/4 cup of white vinegar. The vinegar is going to break down the eggshell and make the eggs easier to peel. Lower the heat to medium, then using a slotted spoon, carefully lower the eggs into the boiling water. Cook the eggs to your preference. For hard-boiled eggs, I cook these for 15 minutes. Afterwards, immediately submerge the hot eggs in a large bowl of ice water. Let the eggs cool in the ice bath for 15 minutes. Then peel the eggs and use in your favorite recipes. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.